Hey, what's up coaches? My name is Nick. I help busy fit pros, gym owners, and influencers who want to build, grow, and scale their online training businesses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered why loads of trainers are hopping onto the online training wave and capitalizing, but you can't seem to get started or find any success? Are you struggling to get your online training business set up the right way? Are you struggling with getting clients online? Are you struggling marketing your online training business? Have you ever wondered why some people make 6 and 7 figures while others stay trapped in the vicious cycle of working 50-hour plus weeks? Well, you're in the right place. I've worked with over 1,000 plus fitness professionals, everybody from PTs to gym owners to fitness influencers with millions of followers and everybody in between. The one thing that sets apart the ones that make 6 and 7 figures from the rest is that they have one common goal, and that is to help and coach and impact people through their coaching and improving their health. Health is one of the biggest dominoes that someone can change in order to improve all other aspects of their life. More energy, better relationships, better confidence, more money, and it allows you to do more things if you have better health. I believe that online training is the best way to help more people get healthy, make more money in less time. However, a huge obstacle for busy coaches who actually care about their clients is that they're capped out on time. There's a certain amount of hours in a day and you can only train so many clients. If you don't know where to start, or if you hate technology, spending that time setting up your business, if you don't know where to start or what to do, it's really hard to justify from spending that time with your family, your friends, or on yourself. Here on my YouTube channel, I'm going to show you exactly how to create the online business of your dream that allows you to live the life that you deserve without having to spend months or years trying to figure it out yourself. Every week, I'm going to share new videos with tips, tricks, and hacks on building your own online training business from the ground up the right way, getting clients, marketing strategy, and tech walkthroughs. To make sure you stay updated with all my latest content and best stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So, what is online training and why should you be doing it? Well, online coaching or online personal training is like having a personal trainer that you take with you virtually instead of meeting with them in person. This allows you not to be tied down in any particular gym, schedule, or select group of trainers, and online coaching opens up so many more doors that fits your needs perfectly. Online coaching, when planned and executed correctly, allows you to help more people, help people outside of your immediate area or gym, work more efficiently, save time, make more money, and just enjoy a much more flexible lifestyle. Now, to be clear, this is coaching. Now, this is not something that where you just give away a free workout program or meal plan and expect people to follow through. You still need to be there for your clients and you still need to be there to get them the results. Now, if you're a gym owner or a PT, the easiest way to transition to fully online is to start with a hybrid approach, which is where you fulfill their nutrition, accountability, and workouts through online training, where they do check-ins with you in person. Now, to do that, all you have to do is set up the systems properly so you don't end up doing more work than you're already doing. And to get started right away, I put together a free 6-step blueprint that's going to walk you through the exact 6-step process that other 6 and 7-figure online trainers use to build their own online training empires. And I want to give you this insider blueprint absolutely free. All you have to do is click in the link in the description below or on the screen, and I'm going to send it to you absolutely free. It's going to give you a huge heads up and a leg up on your business. And also make sure you hit the subscribe and bell notification so you can stay updated with the most current content on building, growing, and scaling your online training business. I'm looking forward to giving you the best actionable content for building your online training business. So let's get out there and crush it.